Hey Pyros, Valmir here at the lead. In today's video, we have a Pyro Musical by our good friend Dan Fireworks here in New Hampshire. Now, as the holidays is fastly approaching, we thought it would be a great idea to share with you this Pyro Musical as we get closer and closer to the New Year holiday season. Year to year, you guys have seen our 4th of July and New Year's Eve fireworks show, but this is something from our good friend Dan Fireworks. Now, this was his first Pyro Musical, and I think it'll be pretty cool if you guys check it out. Now, let's just go ahead and show you this Pyro Musical that was done in Washington, New Hampshire. So let's get to it. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below, do you like this type of content? Because we have not yet put any other Pyro Musical shows on our YouTube channel. But anyway, guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you in another video right here on our channel. Bye-bye.